Real talk. Most traders lose money. They lose because they have zero system, no journal, no risk rules, no review process, just vibes and a brokerage account. I spent 2 years trading like that, took some hits, learned some lessons, and then I built something that changed everything. This right here, this is my Trading Finance OS, built entirely in Notion, and in this video, I'm gonna walk you through every single tool inside it, the trade journal, risk calculate dashboard, budget tracker, and weekly review system. If you're a trader who wants to actually get serious about tracking your performance, this video is for you. The link to grab this template is in the description. Let's get into it. Tools. One workspace. Everything a trader needs to stay disciplined, track performance, and actually grow. Now that you've got the template set up, let me show you where most traders and where I start every single trading day.
So this right here is your trade journal, and honestly, this single page is going to change how you trade. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to add a real trade right now. I'll click New Page here. First we enter the date I took the trade. And you can see, I'll fill this in. BTC USDT. Then the direction we placed our trade, it's long. Entry was 62. Sorry, it's 61,200. Exit 63,800. And look, here is my favorite part. It just calculated plus $2,600 and plus 4.2% on its own. Now here's my favorite part, the emotion column. I'm going to select confident because I was calm going into this trade. And now I'll type my setup, bull flag breakout on the 4-hour chart. Last but not least lesson I learned from the trade: always wait for the retest before entering. That lesson right there, that's gold. Future you is going to thank you for writing that down. Every professional trader journals. Now you do too.
This single tool would have saved me 4 of my biggest losing trades. When you write it down, you can't lie. What about before you enter a trade? This one is non-negotiable.
Okay, so this is the page that's going to save your trading account. Seriously. The number one reason beginner traders blow up their accounts is not bad setups, it's bad position sizing. They risk too much on one trade, it goes wrong, and they're done. This risk calculator makes sure that never happens to you. Let me show you. I already entered a test trade. Also let name enter new test trade too. I'm going to type in my account size, let's say $10,000. My risk per trade is 1%, meaning I'm only willing to lose $100 on this trade. That's it. 1%. Now I type my entry price, $100. And my stop loss, $95. And look what happens. Max loss, exactly $100. Position size, 20 units. Position value, $2,000. So I know exactly how many units to buy before I even place the trade. No guessing. No emotion.
I don't care how good your setup looks. If you don't know your position size before you click buy, you are gambling. Period. So you've logged your trades, you've sized your positions correctly. Now let's zoom out. How is your overall portfolio actually performing? That's what the investment dashboard shows you.
This is your investment dashboard. Your bird's eye view of everything you own. Stocks, crypto, ETFs, all in one place. And it tells you exactly how much everything is worth right now. Let me add some assets. Asset name BTC. Type crypto. Quantity 0.5. Buy price 60,000. Current price 63,000. And just like that, let's calculate and add my total value. My gain is $31,500. And what percentage of my portfolio? Bitcoin 52.3%.
This is your bird's eye view. Every asset, every position, all in one place without opening 5 different apps. Okay, real talk. I used to make money trading, and then somehow still be broke at the end of the month. No idea where it went. This budget tracker fixed that.
This budget tracker fixes that in under 5 minutes. It's simple. You have your categories: housing, food, transport, subscriptions, savings, investments, and MISC. I think you are well known by these things. You set your monthly budget for each one. Now as the month goes on, you come back here and fill in what you actually spent. This is your financial awareness in one table. You know exactly where you are overspending, where you are on track, and where you can put more money to work in the markets.
You've got the budget locked. You're managing money like a professional. But here's the question. Are you actually improving as a trader week over week? That's what this last tool is for.
This last page is honestly my favorite, and it's the one most people skip. The weekly review. Every Sunday, just 5 minutes. 3 questions. That's it. Let me show you. I just answer 3 questions. What went well this week? I'll type followed my risk rules on every single trade. Didn't overtrade. Waited for setups. What I'd do differently. Exited to winning trades too early out of fear. Need to trust the setup more. My focus next week. Only take A+ setups. No FOMO trades. Let winners run. If you do it every week, a new entry over time you can add date with the answers. That's what this whole finance OS is about, not just tracking numbers, but building the habits and self-awareness that turn beginners into consistent traders.
The traders who actually get better over time, they all have one thing in common. They review every single week without fail. This template makes that process take 10 minutes instead of an hour. All right, that's the full Trading Finance OS. 5 tools, 1 workspace, built by a trader for traders. Trade Journal to log every trade and spot your patterns. Risk Calculator so you never blow your account. Budget Tracker to make sure your money is going somewhere. And the weekly review to make sure you're getting better. The link to grasp this template is correct there in the outline. It's a one-time purchase. Hit that like button. Trade smart.